Greetings, universe! Hello, everyone. Welcome in. I hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are doing great. Alright. Hello, nonsense. Welcome in. How are you doing? Hope you are doing good. Right. What are we doing today? Well. Today, we are attempting at adding texture to the bunnies. We have some bunnies, and we will try to add some texture to them. Dun. Let me show you. Wait, that's not it. Here we go. Here's good. Okay. Oh, nonsense. Thank you. I'm happy to hear you're fine. I am also fine. I am also just fine. Let me show you what do we have so far. Okay, so we can kind of pick up some items. Here we go. We picked up some nice thing, and we picked up some other nice thing. Yeah, we can pick stuff up for now. And I'm currently trying to set up the bunnies. Yep, so my bunnies look kind of weird. Meantime, I can fix that up. I will probably fix that up during the stream. We will see. Basically, our bunnies have multiple ways to go to sleep. If one of the birds is too low, the bunny goes to sleep. That's what we have so far. But currently, I am trying to make the bunny show some markings. Okay. So, let's do that. So, we kind of have this example here. As you can see. Oh, nonsense. Luckily, this is not C++, this is not C. So, it's not as bad as you might expect. It's pretty bad, but not as bad as you would expect from C or C++. So there's that. Okay, so we have bunny. Thank you. But I will have to say a little something. I am not the solo developer on this project. I have another developer who is also doing this work together with me. So, yes. Basically, we have a couple of marks happening here, and the way Godot the placement of chat is kind of not letting me show you what I mean, because it's right behind chat. I will move chat for a little bit. Here we go. Bye chat. Pop. Okay, just for now. So, this is what I want to show you. Maybe actually I will move. Let's see. Maybe I will just extend this part. I mean, it works. It can work. It's fine. Nonsense, I'm very happy you think he's cute. He's supposed to be adorable. Actually, I've been through multiple iterations of the bunny. And I even made a poll about what kind of bunny is the best. Eventually, I mixed the top picks. Like, I let people vote for their favorite bunny. And then I kind of mixed up all the favorite bunnies by everyone. And ended up with this one. Nonsense says you really did some great work on the pearl. It used to look like a third eye. No, it's really cute. I'm really happy you think so, Nonsense. It means that I was successful. Oh, it looks like we have a new follower. Thank you so much for the follow. Yay! And hello, Grimsley! I guess you are extending your overnight stay. Like, if I remember correct, you're supposed to be asleep. So, I appreciate you stopping by. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I'm really happy you guys think he's a cute bunny. He's supposed to be cute. Yes. Okay, so what I'm trying to figure out at the moment... well, if you're too tired, whenever... yeah, don't feel like you have to stay or anything like that. Sleep is very important. Sleep is super important. So, yeah. Basically, what we're trying to do here with the bunny is to put like random marks on his fur, on the bunny's fur. So the way Godot works is that we have this texture of the bunny. It looks a little bit scary here. Look at him. He looks so scary. This is our bunny. And for the next pass, we have the next texture, which is one of those markings. I think it's this one at the bottom. And then we have the next one, which is the one at the top, which is this one. So if I am switching this texture over here, right when I'm standing with my face, if I'm going to change the mark to this one, it's supposed to change. You see, now it's here. Let's choose another one. Yes, there are multiple ones. I remember one of them is supposed to be in the shape of a heart. Let's pick up this one. It's a heart on his ear. Very cute, very adorable. Yes, we're gonna use this one at the moment. So for these textures, these are hard-coded ones, and now we need to somehow recreate this with code. We need to somehow do that. This is what we need to figure out today. Nonsense says exam results are more important though. Exam results? Oh, are you going to have your exam results soon? Is that what you're going to have? Good luck, Nonsense. I know you've worked really hard on your exams. So good luck with those. Good luck with the results. Hello, Kirby. Welcome in. Thank you for joining. Yay. Kirby asks, are the bunnies allies or enemies? Well, the bunnies are not just our allies, but we're also supposed to take care of them. It is our duty to take care of all the bunnies and make sure they're happy. We have to assure their happiness. Yes, indeed. Okay. So I'm gonna get this here and show you for a moment VS Code. I'm using VS Code, by the way, this time around. And I have the transparency alpha here just so I could look, like, see the markings. Currently they don't really appear, so I show this like for once. So now we're going to put it back here. Yep. So we have all sorts of additional parameters, like blend mode is mixed and the cull mode is back in the opaque. I mean, we will need to make sure that whatever we're creating with code is exactly the same as this example that we've created here. That's our goal. Hey. Nonsense says, where is our guy who sells bunny meat? I mean, so this is Wob, but he's not selling bunny meat. He is taking care of the bunnies. That's what he does. That's what he does. Let's spawn some bunnies. Here's a bunny. Hello, bunny. Hello, bunny. Hello, bunny. Hello, hello, hello. No! You guys really like eating bunnies, huh? But these bunnies are magical, so I'm not sure about their... I am not sure about their meat, you know? No! No killing! No killing bunnies. Bunnies are too cute to be killed. Huh. Okay. Yes, they got magic powers. They're very cute. And I'm not sure that they taste good. Their magic is too powerful. And therefore, they will not be very tasty. I can assure you that. I can assure you that. Don't eat the bunnies. Don't eat the bunnies. Nonsense says he takes care of them just to get more meat. They're gonna get their revenge. Yes, Kirby, that's the spirit. The bunnies will get their revenge for everyone who are trying to eat the bunnies. Yep. That's true. Okay. I have paused the game for a little bit. Bob looks evil to you? I mean, I can kind of get that. Probably because of the sunglasses. I mean, I kind of understand what you're... I kind of get it. I think. Okay. So... I need your guys' help. I need your help. I need your help. We need to remember the... We need to remember the statistics that we have here. The transparency alpha, the blend mode mix, the cull mode back, and the depth draw mode opaque only. We need to make sure that whatever we create is exactly the same. It's exactly the same. We need to make sure this is the case. Alright. So, the parameters... No, not this one. For these parameters over here, we have to make sure they're the same as what we're creating. So, let's grab one of the bunnies. Remember, we are pausing the game, so we're supposed to have some bunnies around. Here's the critter factory. And we have one of them created over here. So these bunnies were created by us when we spawned them in the game. Now we need to go to their texture. Where's their texture? Oh wait, they have a mesh instance. This is it. This is the mesh instance. This is the mesh instance. And that's the object that we have here. And then in the next pass, we have this one. Okay, here we go. Here it is. Now we need to make sure that the configurations here are the same. So transparency alpha and transparency is indeed alpha. Blend mode, mix, and curl mode back. Oh no, I lost a bunny. Ugh, this is confusing. Kirby says, Judy, bunnies have magical girl transformations. Okay, so the main character that you're playing is a magical girl, and the magical girl does have transformation. Yes, this is a spoiler. Don't tell anyone, please. Please don't tell anyone. This is a spoiler for the game. Whoops. Please don't tell anyone. Ugh. Nonsense says, don't worry, fish memory activated. Nice. Yes. No, Kirby! Please keep them for yourself. Please keep them for yourself. Ugh. Yeah. I'm not good at this apparently about keeping secrets. Huh. Well. Kirby, can I trust you? Kirby, can I trust you, please? Okay. So maybe I will write this down in chat. Maybe it will be easier that way. So transparency alpha. Okay, you know what? I'll just take a screenshot of this part. I'll just take a screenshot right now. I have technology. I'm gonna take a screenshot. There we go. Ooh, screenshot. Douglas says we're going to need a sequel where you play a bunny raising magical girls. I am not even finished with this one. We're already creating sequels. I mean, yes. Okay, honestly, Douglas, I mean, this is also kind of a spoiler. Good job, Douglas. I'm not gonna provide any additional context. Whatever you understand from that, good. If you're confused, also good. I'm just gonna keep it that way. Okay, we need to make sure that... Okay, so this texture was created through code. We created this texture... At least we added this texture with code. So we need to be sure it has the exact same properties as the hard-coded one. So alpha, transparency alpha, blend mode is mix, cull mode is back, depth draw mode is opaque only, and no depth stats is shut. Huh. So as I see it, we're actually exactly the same. This is exactly the same as for the temporary one. Okay. I wonder if there are any additional properties that we need to figure out. What if... Okay, so I'm not sure why it's not showing up. It looks like it should show up. It's unshaded. Like it's supposed to. Okay, I'm not sure why it's not showing up. But at least we know that the parameters over here at the top are exactly the same. So that's good. That's good. Alright. Douglas, if you understood, then don't tell anyone. And for all of you guys on the stream, don't spoil anyone. This is a secret. I hope I can trust you guys. Can I trust you guys? Can I trust you? Please. I really want to trust you. Hey. Nonsense. Good luck with your studying and thank you so much for stopping by. Good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. Right. Okay. So honestly, I am not sure. Ooh, Kizumi, welcome in. Hello. Thank you for joining. Yay. So happy to have you around. So happy to have all of you around. It's so great that you guys show up. It's always fun. Oh, wait. Ooh. Recently, you used some bits. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much for the bits. I don't know why. I'm not sure why they didn't show up on screen. Eh? Something about my alerts is not working properly. I'm so sorry. I will check it out at some point in time to see why the alerts don't work. Okay, so we're trying to make the Kazumi says they don't show up because rewards like gigantic emotes are not bits alerts. Oh. Okay. Thank you for explaining. Yeah. I see. Yeah, I suppose I will have to see if this is something I can get alerts for. I mean, Starly is all code of mine, so I guess there are some features that I don't support yet. I need some time to get to it. Someday I will get to it. We will see when. Yeah. So I will change the transparency mode for all of the bunnies, just to see how it affects the bunnies. I see that it doesn't affect them at all. Maybe I need to... Maybe I need to start the game again. Oh, there we go. Now we see them again. Okay, so I guess this would not help us if we update the mesh instance over here. Okay, so I see that this turns out to be an object. And then the next pass is also in this is a shader material. Instead of a regular one. Like for this bunny over here, if I will show you him. Yeah, so for this guy, this is, let's see, this is a standard material 3D. What if we change it to shader material? Just to be aligned. Yep. Let's make it into a shader material. And then we'll use bun. It's going to be a shader. Oh wait, you don't see what I'm doing. Okay. So I suppose wait. I created a mess. I will go back to what it was before. Okay. Wait. So for this guy over here, we have the surface material. And then this is a standard material 3D. Instead, we'll turn it into a shader material. What? Looks like I cannot put a regular PNG on him. Can I? I mean, it's probably supposed to be a canvas item. Yeah. Never mind. Okay. So, if that is the case, let's go back to the code. Wait, where all of his marking stuff? Okay, I will stop the game. Here, I stopped the game. Now, where are his markings? I'm just gonna go back a lot. Ugh. Wait. So for this case, the transparency is supposed to be alpha. And also for the bunny itself, it's supposed to be alpha, right? And for all of them, it's supposed to be alpha. So this is 0. So this is alpha. And this is also alpha. And for the last one, so for all of them, it is alpha. I wonder what did I do to suddenly not have it working. I will not save. And I will get it. Okay, now it works. I wonder what's different. What's different this time? What did I change? So the transparency, okay, that makes sense. About shading. So the first difference is so this is, let me explain what do we have here. Wait, I will shut this one down so we will see everything better. Is the text okay? Is the text large enough? Do you see it okay? I hope yes. Let me know if you need it to be updated. Okay. So first I'm getting the mesh itself of the bunny. For this part, it's actually the bunny material, which means it's the texture where we see the eyes and the ears and everything. And then on top of that, we're supposed to add some marks to the bunny. We're supposed to add some marks. So this is our way to add some marking. So we create a standard material 3D. So in Godot, as we saw, it's not shown as standard material. It's actually shown as a shader for some reason, which is kind of strange, I feel like. Okay. So we update all of these just so it will show properly. And then, okay, what if we will add this priority part? I wonder if it will help somehow. Let's see. Let's see. If it will help. Okay, let's spawn a bunny. Ooh, it helped. Look. Look. The bunny has a mark. All the bunnies have marks. Hooray! I mean, the marks are showing off over everything else, which is a little bit awkward. Which is a little bit awkward. But look, we can spawn all different bunnies. All the different bunnies with all the different markings. But probably the priority part that I added is not the right way to go. But at least, okay, I suppose we will take care of that one later. Yeah. Okay, at least our bunnies can now have different markings when they spawn. So that's nice. Hooray! How lovely. Probably the render priority is not the right way to go. Yeah, I'm gonna remove all of this. These were my previous attempts. Okay, I'm gonna stop the game for now. go back to VS Code. Bum, bum, bum. I mean, we know that this part works. At least. Now I need to create multiple. Okay. So we will also instantiate this one over here. I guess it's of type texture. What's the type here? Texture dot new. I don't know. Let's see. Let's check if we ruined something or not. I'm not sure. It might not be the right type. So I will need to check. Okay, looks alright. Yep, we all have these different cute bunnies with their different textures around. Yay! Different bunnies with different textures. That's good. Awesome. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. So for this part, we did not change anything. That's good. But right now, I suppose we're going to put it in a for loop. Will we? What? Oops. Okay, let's see what render priority means, because I'm probably misunderstanding it a little bit. Let's see, what is it about? So, set render priority sets the render priority for objects in 3D scenes. Higher priority objects will be stored in front of lower priority objects. One will render before all objects with render priority 0. This only applies to standard material 3D and shader material with type spatial. This will not input how transparent objects are sorted relative to opaque objects. Okay. I suppose setting the rendering priority is not it's not the good way to do it. It's not. Okay, and also I suppose we'll need to do it as add new marks. Add new marks. And we'll need to also send mark count. Mark count. Mark count is an integer. And what else do we need to get? Then, yeah, well, we'll take this one. We will take these inside this. We'll put it here. Actually, do we need it over here? Maybe we could just, because we're already generating it outside. I think it's fine to keep it outside. So this one we don't need. However, this one we do need. So we will keep this part, which is as for these ones, we don't need them. We will do this. We will call this one over here. Do we need the mark count? I don't think we do. We just need the mark tracker. Right. We just need the mark tracker. And the mark tracker is an array of integers. Yep. Mark tracker. Here it is. There we go. Hopefully this is a little bit less messy right now. Okay, actually I did like the print for the mark trackers. Where was it? It was this one. I would like to print it out. Okay. Let's see what the mark tracker has. Let's check. Here we go. So they have all these different markings. Okay. This works as expected. So we have all these different markers on the bunnies. That's good, that's good. This is working as expected so far. Now, let's use the mark tracker in center function. So we're going to put this in a for loop. Something like this. For I in mark tracker. Okay. We're gonna put this inside. And then this is going to be our I plus 1. Okay. And then our body material will become body material dot next. Yep, this works. Hopefully this works as expected. If this works, then this part is what we're going to have to change. Let's see if this works as expected. If yes, then it'll be really cool. Let's see. Okay. Oh. Next pass. Whoops. Null instance with value of type standard material. 3D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, Tank! Welcome in. How are you? Hope you're doing good. Looks like we have encountered an error. Yeah, so for this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 textures. And I suppose the next pass is like 4. I think it's 4. I will need to check the commentation. Let's see. Tank, how are you doing? Okay, so this number will have to be like 4. And we will need 2 constants here. One of them will be for the bunny mark count, and the other one will be bunny mark types. Types count. Thanks, it's good. I totally overslept, so trying to get the sleep out of my eyes. Oh, isn't it supposed to be like very early for you? Okay. So this one is supposed to be loading all of the types of textures. So this is that one. Thanks, us. Now, right now, it's 11 a.m. 11 a.m. is not that early. Also, 10 a.m. is not that early. So yeah, you did oversleep. Let me show you the progress we have so far. Mark count. This one is correct. Random mark. Let me show you what do we have so far. Thanks, sis. It's the first day of a week-long vacation, so I'll use that as my excuse. Ooh, you have a vacation right now. That must be nice, being on vacation. I hope you will use your time effectively to rest properly, to get your battery back up. So this is what we have so far. We can spawn bunnies with different markings on them. Oh no, what happened to them? We have one that something strange happened to him. Yep. I mean, it did not completely finish updating all of the code, so that's why. So let me quickly update everything, and then I will show you our progress so far. So for some cases, we have the bunny mark type count, which is 7, and for other cases we have the mark count, which is 4. Let's see, I think it's even 3. I think the depth is 3 even. We'll see. So this is to load all of the textures. That's good. Mark count for the bunnies. Mark count. It should be okay. This is correct. This is the mark count. Then random mark should be out of types, I believe. Yeah, we don't have any more. So only the mark count is supposed to be like small. Okay. Mark count. What? Ooh, hello, Eden. Thank you for joining. Currently, let me show. Okay, I hope this time I can show you what do we have. I hope this time I can actually show. Hehe. Right. So we have this little dude who is called Blob. Say hello to Blob. Let's spawn some bunnies. Ah, yeah. So, we have Bunny, and Bunny has a few types of bars. He has his fullness, he has his love capacity. Ah, thank you for saying he's cute. He's supposed to be cute. And his play. So, the bars at the corner, they show how hungry and if the bunny wants like some love from us, and like if we can pet him. Like, we cannot pet the bunny yet, but we will be able to eventually. So yeah, so currently the bunny has chosen to play with the toy. So after he finishes playing with the toy, he's supposed to have some of his fun back. So yeah, that's how it works so far. Okay, so now this one has a marking on his face. Here's another one with another marking on his face. This is what we're doing right now. We're adding some variety to the bunnies. Okay. And we have a bug to take care of. Whoopsie doopsie. Okay, so whenever we have more than one texture around, we have an issue here. Oh, it's because of the outline. Because of the outline. Okay. Let's try again, and this time we'll avoid trying to get the outline. Okay, so this is a weird one. I don't know what happened to him. Yes, something about him is weird. This bunny is weird. Okay, I'm trying to spawn a bunny with a couple of markings. Okay, I see. So whenever there are a couple of markings, they just disappear. I think I know why. We will check. Okay, we'll figure it out. Bunnies are good. A variety of bunnies best. Yes, I agree. Yes. Totally. Okay. So, as far as I can tell, whenever we have more than one mark, they suddenly disappear. And I think I know why. It's because right over here we're overriding always the same one, which is a 0. So yeah, that's not how it should be. We kinda need to progress this one together with the for loops. Okay, I need to read some documentation about Godot and for loops. Godot for loop with index, because we need index too. So it's kind of Godot GDScript is kind of similar to Python, but not entirely. So I'm not sure what's available and what's not. So I'm going to check the documentation. But if we want to have both. Okay, so it's like we have for loop with index and array GDScript. Whoop. Let's see. I'm not sure if it's the same or not. Okay, never mind. I will check it later. I will check that later. let's for now just do a var j equals 0 and we'll just here and just do j++. This is not available. I mean, just for now. Later on, we will make it look a little bit more pretty. For now, let's just see if it helps the bunnies. I'm trying to spawn one with multiple markings. There we go. There is supposed to be one with multiple markings. Where is he? Where is he? I don't know, where did he spawn? One of them is supposed to have multiple markings, but I don't see which one is it. And there's another one. Hello, Wally! Welcome in! You're not late. Thank you for joining. How are you doing? I mean, currently we're trying to spawn some bunnies with multiple markings and see if it breaks our code. Okay, so this one spawned and he's supposed to have 2 markings, but I only see 1. I wonder why. List. At least some of it is showing. Okay. I will move away a little bit and spawn another. Okay, so we can see even those that are supposed to have multiple markings, they don't. They don't show up. Not all of them, at least. Only a single one is showing up. Ali says, do you despise cheating on games? I don't know, it depends on the game. Some games are only fun with cheats. Dun, dun, dun. Some games are only fun in God mode. Yeah, I said it. I said it. Okay. So we're adding this and then we're adding this back. I actually think that we need to add all of those together, but maybe just in the end. Maybe just in the end? Maybe just in the end. Let's give it a try. Maybe this is the right way to go. Let's check. Blasphemy? What does it mean? Please explain what do you mean. Blasphemy? Okay. Bum bum bum. Got loading games. Ah, hehehe. Ooh, look, we made it worse. Look, he's worse now. The bunny is much worse. Hehehe. Yes, some games are only fun when you can do God mode. Yes, I said it, and I don't regret it. Okay, so this one makes it worse. Let's keep it this way so far. Did you even subscribe? Did you even subscribe? What are you trying to say here? Huh? Ah, yeah, right. You're from YouTube. Right, that's right, that's right. Thank you for being on YouTube, by the way. Much appreciated. Oh. Okay, so for these two bunnies, they're supposed to... No, you can stay on YouTube, that's fine. I mean, you can do whatever. Okay, so these bunnies, they're supposed to have two markings, but they show up only with one. I will stop this. Well, hello, golden dude. Well, hello. Welcome in. I know you're the same person. I mean, okay. I need to check what are the properties of these two bunnies to see if they were spawned properly. So let's check if they were spawned properly. Let's see. So we have a critter factory over here. We have a bunny over here. And their mesh. So this is a shader material. And it has, let me show you. It has the bunny texture. And then it has the next pass, which is the albedo texture. That's good. But it looks like it does not have the next pass. Hey, as it should. It should have the next pass, but it doesn't. So I guess this is where our issue is coming from. I think this is it. Oh my! Oh my! Wait, you didn't have to do that. I mean, thank you so much, but really, you did not have to do that. Oh my. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you. But I mean, thank you. Thank you for the support. Thank you so much for the support. It's really meaningful to me. Thank you. I mean, you really didn't have to do that, but thank you so much. Yes, I cannot sub-shame you anymore. Indeed. I mean, I didn't try. Ah. 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 Thank you. Okay. I need to figure out. Isn't it a cute one? I really like this emote. This emote is probably my favorite one. Oh, thank you so much! Yay, I'm happy you like them. I'm happy you like them. I made them by myself. Okay, the render priority 0. And then for the next pass, it's in the material. Huh. So here we're supposed to have the material section. Oh. And this one is empty. Now I see why it doesn't work. Because we need to go to the material, then into the next pass. Because here we're part of the shader. Okay, so here we're in the mesh instance. Then we have the shader parameter. But actually we're updating the material. And then okay, so this is base material 3D. And inside of it, we need to go to the material again. Which is not what we're doing right now. So this is for the first iteration. So this one works for the first time, but then we need not just the next pass, but we need it to be the material. Okay. Let's see, what do we have here? Get next pass. No. What do we have here? Okay, so for this one, it has to be not just the next pass, but its material. No material. Okay, I will need to look into the documentation to see how do we get the next pass of the next pass. Let's see. Let's see. How do we get the next pass of the next pass? Need to check that. Maybe we need to duplicate it so it won't mess things up. Let's give it a try. Let's try to duplicate those so it will be a hard copy instead of a soft copy. Let's try. So we will store in body material dot duplicate. We'll try to do this one first. Actually, I'm not sure this is the right thing to do. I don't know. I don't think it will mess something up if we'll do it that way. But let's do current material. Material. Let's do this one first. And then about the way we handle next pass, we will do it for the current material. We'll do it this way. For now, we will avoid this one. So for current material next pass, we'll put a marked material, and then for the current material, we'll put here the mark material, and then by the end of it, we will do this part to update the body material with everything that we have done. Let's see if this solves anything or instead causes a mess. Okay, so this one, where is he? Oh, there he is. He's supposed to have 3 markings, but he has only 1. Okay. I'm stopping the game to find him. Let's find him. It's probably the last one. Probably the last one. Let's check him out. So this is the mesh instance. Have the mesh instance, then we have the first texture, and then we have another texture inside, and then the next pass inside is empty again. Okay, it means that our change did not help. Okay, I'm gonna bring it back to what it was before. Something about this doesn't work as expected. Sorry, it's not this one, it's this one. Something about this one doesn't work as expected. It's this one that is the problematic one. Need to check the commentation for it. Let's see what next pass has. Material next pass. Material next pass. In Godot. So we have the next pass property, and it has, okay, next pass sets the material to be used for the next pass. This renders the object again using a different material. Next pass materials are not necessarily drawn immediately after the source material. Draw order is determined by material properties, render property, and distance to camera. Yes, I know about that one. That's why we set the render priority as 1 for row 36. Okay, as I see it, we're supposed to have get next pass. We're supposed to have it. This is supposed to work. Let's try. I mean, based on the documentation. If I'm getting it right. Okay, the other bunny that we have spawned is supposed to have 2. He does not have 2. Hey. Next pass with value of type standard material 3D. Why can't we set it up? Okay, so next body, here's next pass. Set next pass. Sets the material to be used. Okay. We set this one up properly. And now in body material. What did we have in the output? Looks like 3 markings broke it. For some reason. Need to check why. So, I know that this part just didn't work right. For some reason. Wait. Is that okay? Get next pass. We don't have much information about this one. I will need to understand what it is. Get next pass. Let's check. So, get next pass. Photo. Okay, how to access emissions next pass material. I see that someone asked about it. So first and foremost, let's make sure the body is of that material. Let's see that this one doesn't break anything for us. Okay. Now this should also be material. Let's see. Okay, because it had 3 of those. Let's change this one back to 3. Okay, so here's one of those that is supposed to have 2 markings, but some of them don't have any at all. Okay. Okay, so we updated this one. Now, it looks like this one is supposed to work. It has to get the next material in line. It seems. Next pass, material, Godot, multiple. Let's see if that will work for us. I'm looking into some forums about Godot. Maybe let's try to do set next pass too. Like so. Set next pass. Maybe this will be helpful for us. Let's see if it will work. So this one should have had 2 mics, but he has only 1. Something here isn't quite right still. At least this one works okay. This is probably the right way to set the new mark. Oh wait. Texture? Mark material. Oh yeah, I'm updating the mark material every time. Maybe it has to be a new one each time. I guess it should be. I mean, I know it's not really going to help because we're not updating the next pass as we should. But let's see if it helps. It's probably not going to help. Oh, it did. Look at that. This guy has 2 markings. We're successful. More bunnies. Here we go. Yay. Golden dude. It's probably the luck from the coldness of the dude. Yes. Yeah. So now we have bunnies with multiple markings, as we wanted to have in the first place. Okay. Nice. It worked. Okay, now we can raise this number and see what happens. Okay. See, this one has 2 markings. This one also has 2 markings and they're different. Ooh, this one has 3 markings. Look at him. He has 2 hearts. This bunny has 2 hearts. So cute. So cute. Can we have a bunny with even more markings? Here's one with 2. Very cute. Let's see if we can have even more. Let's see if we put 7. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, there we go. Here's one with so many markings. He has 5 markings on him. Look at him, he's so cute. He has 5 markings on him. Whoa. Here's one with 6 markings. Very cute. Cute bunnies, cute bunnies. Let's see if we can get to 7. Seven markings. Hello, Quill. Welcome in. How are you? Look, our bunnies have markings and now they're all different. They're all unique bunnies. All unique bunnies. Look at them. Being so cute. Yes, I have some issues with the texture. The textures are quite a bit. But aside from that, it works. The random marking work. Yay! I will probably also add randomization for the color of the markings. We'll see. I'm trying to spawn a bunny with 7 marks to see what they will look like. I'm spawning so many bunnies. I'm trying to spawn one with 7 markings. So many. Well, how are you doing? Okay, maybe I'm not allowing the spawn of 7 markings. Probably. That's why. We have 72 bunnies around. So many. So many bunnies. Okay. So I believe we can put this back to be the same number again. They have multiple health bars. Technically. I mean, they have multiple health bars. So some of it is for how bored they are. Another one is for how hungry they are. And another one is for how much love they feel. Like how loved they are by Bob, the playable character. If the bunnies feel loved, then they're very happy. If they don't feel loved, then they go to sleep. I just don't want to kill them. I just don't want them to die, so they go to sleep. Yep. Yeah. Okay. So the Mark Trucker. How many can we have in the Mark Trucker? We're supposed to have a mark count. Here we go. Oh, so it looks like I don't allow more than 6 of them. I mean, how many markings do we have? We have 7 markings, so it's okay to have. More. Let's see. Well, not for not forever. Not forever. I don't know. I don't want it to be sad. Not forever. I'm trying to spawn one with 7 markings. Ooh, how many is that? Ooh, 7. These are 7 markings, yes. Okay, we have spawned a few with 7 markings. Isn't this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one has 7 markings. Look at him. He's all marked. How cute is he? Very cute. Okay, I think we're successful now. And so there's one is very bored and he doesn't feel loved. And he's looking for food. Yes. But look, he has a mark of a heart. He has a cute small heart over here. Next to his mouth. Look how cute he is. He's adorable. They're all very adorable. And we need to take good care of the bunnies. Okay. Next thing that we need to figure out is how to make sure the material is not overlapping over everything else. I mean, I used priority 1. Let's see, where did I put that? Yes, I put it over here. Maybe I can avoid it and see what happens. Let's see. Because there's no priority, they don't have their markings. We have to use priority. Look, we have to use priority. But now the material is interfering with one another. Okay, we will need to look up the documentation. Next pass, render priority. Next pass, material. Render priority. Okay, maybe there's another way to set the transparency, maybe. Let's see what else do we have here. Transparency. I don't know what these are doing. I don't know. We'll just give it a try and see what happens. Plum says, no love, no food and board. I'm sure the bunny will have better days. Yes, yes. We need to take better care of the bunnies. Okay. So this one has 3 markings. This one doesn't have any? That's weird. Wait. They're all supposed to have markings. Oh. They don't show up from every angle, I see. So that's not a good idea. That's not the right transparency mode that we need. Which one do we need? What's transparency max? I don't know. Let's try. Yes, Quell, we need to take better care of the bunnies. We need to love them and we need to feed them. And they need to have the best day ever. Every day. Every single day. I don't know how to look this up. Okay, so material. Render priority. Material. Render priority. Makes the material go above everything. How to avoid. I don't see any solutions on the internet. Godot material renders above everything by an accident. Okay, I'm getting results for how to render everything above everything, but this is not what I want here. Let's set priority 0 and see what happens. Yeah, that doesn't help. Oh, wait, what? Why suddenly... Wait. This is strange. Sometimes it appears and sometimes it doesn't. That's weird. And inconsistent. That's strange. Okay, for now the best result was with render priority 1. Wait, is it an integer? Can we do it like this? Or is that going to be an error? I mean, it doesn't matter. The bunnies are in priority 0, so regardless, it's going to be up on top of everyone. So we shouldn't really change it. Okay, but at least we're able to randomize the appearance of the bunnies. So that's really nice. Look, they look all different. Next step would be to change the colors too. So that's gonna be fun. Okay. Let's go. Right. Okay, so I'm gonna say it looks like our time is kind of up. At least for today. Okay. So thank you guys for joining me today in resolving the bunny markings. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. On Wednesdays we have the podcast episodes of Function of Fun. If you would like to check the episodes out, we have them right over here. If you're curious about the podcast, it's about game development and game design. And if you want to come and join the stream tomorrow we will do an art stream. On Sundays we do a technical kind of stream for game development where we do some coding, and on Sundays we do some artsy stuff for game development. Yes, so if you would like to join me tomorrow, that will be very appreciated. It's 5 p.m. Central European time. And if you have any questions, this is the time to ask them. Oh, yes, everyone, have a great day. And Kazonly, thank you so much for joining today. You too. Yay! I'm so happy you guys enjoyed this stream. I had a lot of fun having you around as well. So thank you for your support, everyone. And thank you for the subscribe. Alright, let's find someone to raid. Let's see. Oh, I see that we have a friend that is currently playing some Throwing Liberty. I suppose we will ride that one. Okay. Right. So, everyone, have a lovely, lovely, lovely rest of your time zone.